Die.
Peppa killed him.
You think so? Who would have killed him?
Peppa killed him.
Maybe he died of natural causes.
His died. His food. Look, he's going. He's died.
Yeah.
His daddy. He's died.
These things happen.
Let me get out. Look, Maggie.
I know it's very sad, but let's not touch him with our hands, okay? Just you can look at him with your magnifying glass. Don't touch him with your hands.
Oh, his dad. His dad, Maggie.
I know. What should we do? Bury him?
No.
Say a prayer? Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
Yeah, get back, Dad. Okay.